This innovative system is not just another AI tool, but a revolutionary approach to training robots.
Nvidia has just unveiled Eureka, the most dexterous AI robot agent that the world has ever seen, allowing robots to seamlessly open cabinets, catch balls in midair, or even rotate a pencil in their mechanical hands, plus more, flaunting masterful control and precision that only humans could previously. We're able to explore the three revolutionary facets that Eureka brings to the forefront, along with its seamless integration with OpenAI, unveiling a new era in artificial intelligence and robotics innovation. So stay tuned and join us on this exciting journey as we delve into the intricacies of Eureka's groundbreaking capabilities. Number 1, we have the 1,000 times faster training. At the heart of Nvidia's research's newest venture is Eureka's accelerated simulation environment. This dynamic environment has enabled the training of 10 unique robots and 29 varied tasks. These simulations run at speeds unimaginable to the human mind, accelerated by a factor of 1,000 robots, mastering tasks that range from opening storage compartments to executing pencil-rotating tricks that would give many humans a run for their money. Visualizing these feats was made possible by Nvidia Omniverse, a platform where even the most intricate animations challenge even the best human CGI artists. Number 2 in our list is the generative AI exceeding human expertise. What truly sets Eureka apart from its predecessor is its remarkable ability to autonomously craft intricate reward algorithms, forming the very cornerstone of advanced robotics training methodologies. An extensive study conducted by Nvidia Eureka demonstrated a clear superiority over human experts by generating superior reward programs in an astonishing 83% of tasks. The outcome of this achievement manifests as an unprecedented 52% enhancement in robot performance, underscoring Eureka's transformative impact on the landscape of AI and robotics. Adding to its arsenal of capabilities, Eureka leverages a secret weapon, OpenAI's GPT-4, to assist in the formulation of these crucial reward programs, eliminating the reliance on human-generated prompts or predetermined reward patterns. This symbiotic collaboration positions the system as not only self-reliant but also remarkably efficient. The integration of GPU-accelerated simulation from Isaac Jim further amplifies Eureka's prowess, enabling the swift evaluation of numerous candidate rewards in a dynamic and evolving environment. Okay, before we continue, we'd like to ask for a few moments of your time. If you want to support us, please leave a like and click on the subscribe button. This would help us create more engaging content for you. Now moving back to where we left off. Number 3, a breakthrough hybrid architecture. Diving into the intricate details of Eureka's operational framework reveals that its capabilities extend far beyond autonomous operation. The core of Eureka's sophistication lies in its seamless integration of high-level coding and low-level motor control, employing a cutting-edge hybrid gradient architecture. To simplify this technical marvel, Eureka strategically utilizes GPT-4 to meticulously refine its reward system. Simultaneously, another facet of its intelligence system employs reinforcement learning to provide personalized coaching to the robot controllers. This dual system approach, harmonizing both gradient-free and gradient-based operations, lays the foundation for a remarkably comprehensive learning environment for the robots under Eureka's guidance. Nvidia has elevated the technological prowess of Eureka by further equipping it with the ability to assimilate and incorporate human feedback. This enhancement contributes to a continual refinement of Eureka's rewards, ensuring they align seamlessly with the developer's overarching vision and objectives. By wielding this combination of large language modules and evolutionary algorithms, Eureka is breaking barriers in robotic training and presenting a blueprint for solving complex, open-ended problems like never before, hinting that the future of super-capable humanoid robots that perform at or above the level of humans is closer than most people think. But OpenAI isn't just transforming the robotics world this week, because it's also revolutionizing the virtual world by opening the door of 3D graphics design to people with no previous design expertise whatsoever. Enter 3D GPT, an AI model capable of seamlessly generating intricate 3D worlds using Blender, which is a leading open-source 3D computer graphics program. And much like Nvidia's Eureka, 3D GPT also hinges on the power of AI to interpret and act on human instructions. Researchers have just demonstrated the impressive capabilities of 3D GPT, which include producing vivid 3D environments in response to simple text prompts within Blender. This revolutionary approach offers a fresh alternative to the traditional procedural methods, which previously generated 3D content through rule-based systems and customizable parameters requiring extensive expertise from developers. But now, harnessing the vast capabilities of OpenAI's large language models, 3D GPT deciphers natural language instructions from its human operators, marking a shift from conventional 3D generation to a more dynamic AI-driven process. In fact, the model's core strength lies in its usage of chatbot agents in tandem with Blender. There are also some pitfalls, though. Researchers provided numerous examples that proved 3D GPT's impressive level of proficiency, emphasizing how it can deliver precise control via procedural generation, with one of its most tantalizing prospects being its capability to considerably cut down workloads by removing the need for manual parameter definition. However, like any budding technology, 3D GPT has some limitations. While it holds enormous promise, it's not without constraints. Areas like modeling hair or fur still pose challenges. Moreover, controlling advanced features of 3D software, such as tweaking branches or blending texture colors, remains an uphill battle. Venturing further into the forefront of AI-assisted 3D modeling, we encountered yet another groundbreaking innovation known as OmniControl. This latest revelation stands out as a transformative force in the domain of human motion generation. The previous challenge lay in the intricate task of integrating spatial controls into the text-driven human motion, proving to be a formidable hurdle for existing diffusion-based methods. This complexity was especially pronounced in tasks such as picking up items, where limitations in representing global joint positions, particularly around the pelvis, hindered the efficacy of conventional approaches. However, with the introduction of OmniControl, these challenges are poised to be overcome, marking a significant stride forward in the seamless integration of spatial controls and text-driven human motion. Addressing this challenge, researchers from Northeastern University and Google Research unveiled OmniControl. This cutting-edge, diffusion-based model can seamlessly incorporate spatial controls over any joint at any given moment, breaking past constraints. Introducing this state-of-the-art diffusion-based model, OmniControl emerges as a groundbreaking technology capable of seamlessly integrating spatial controls across any joint, surpassing previous constraints and setting new standards in the field. A standout feature of OmniControl is the consistent representation of human posture, both as input and output. The process involves converting motion to global coordinates, enhancing control precision and motion accuracy through thorough comparison with input signals. While the inclusion of spatial guidance has undeniably pushed the boundaries of human motion models, it has also introduced anomalies in the past. OmniControl addresses this challenge with its innovative solution, realism guidance. This novel approach, coupled with spatial cues, not only refines movements, but also strikes a delicate balance between authenticity and precision, ensuring a harmonious integration of spatial controls and realistic human motion. Empirical tests conducted on diverse platforms such as Human ML, 3D, and Kit ML consistently underscore OmniControl's superiority over its predecessors. The comprehensive evaluation demonstrates the model's remarkable edge in terms of performance and efficacy, reinforcing its status as a revolutionary advancement in the realm of spatial control integration and human motion generation. These robots are truly impressive. But how about your perspective? What are your thoughts on these AI robot agents? Let us know in the comment section down below what you think. If you want more content related to this topic, make sure to check out our channel. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.